In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss and take profit in TradingView mobile app. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is connect your broker. So you want to tap on the two arrows at the bottom right of your screen. There's like an arrow up, arrow down, and whenever you tap on that, you have to connect your broker. I'm inside paper trading right now, so I can show you how to do this. But of course, if you are, of course, connected to any of your brokers, you can just tap on the button down here at the bottom, which is going to open up the trade panel. Now, whenever you're connected, you see it like this. You can then go ahead and set either if you want to buy or sell. So over here up top, you can see sell or buy. And of course, you have market limit or stop orders, up to you. Then you can select the prices, units, etc. And then here at the bottom, it's going to say exits. Now under exits over here, as you can see, if I basically toggle these on, I have take profit and a stop loss as well. Okay, so you can go ahead and basically toggle the take profit and the stop loss, or just one of them, of course. And in case they're not set correctly, it's going to warn you like this. So it's going to say basically it has to be either below or above entry price. So of course, I'm just going to put this, for example, I'm just going to put it like, I don't know, maybe like this. There we go. And as you can see, I now have a take profit and a stop loss as well. Now this is in price. You can also tap on where it says take profit price and change it to something else like ticks, percentage price, whatever, and do the same for stop loss as well. When you do that, you can tap on either the buy or sell button, and there we go. That's how you place or set a stop loss and take profit in TradingView mobile app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.